Begin by finding a comfortable position with your back straight and feeling the weight of your body on the seat. Shoulders are relaxed, drop down, chest open, and if you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. Now bringing your focus to the breath, settling the mind, counting to 3 or 4 in the in-breath, and then a similar count in the out-breath. And you might notice that there's a lot of activity going on within the mind. This is absolutely fine. Just gently guide your attention back to rest with the counting and the breathing. And now letting go the counting and allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Shifting your focus down into the body and grounding. And opening up to the space surrounding the body. And allowing the body to rest on the ground, unconditionally supported by the ground. And opening up to the space around the body. Now, with this sense of presence, maybe you can scan your life and see if there's any difficulty that bringing up challenging emotions. Something that maybe makes you feel fear or sadness. Nothing that makes you feel overwhelming. Something that you can manage now. And bringing this event, situation, person, or feeling into your mind. Recognizing whatever is going on inside you. Maybe thoughts, maybe feelings, or sensations that are affecting you. Like awakening from a dream, the first step is simply to recognize that we're stuck and subject to painfully constricting beliefs, emotions, and physical sensations. Common signs of this step include a critical inner voice, feelings of shame or fear, anxiety, or maybe the weight of sadness in the body. Recognizing can be a simple mental whisper, noting what has come up. And then allowing means letting the thoughts, emotions, feelings, or sensations we have recognized simply be there without trying to fix or pushing away anything. And if you notice yourself in self judgment, letting it be there doesn't mean you agree with those thoughts. Rather, we honestly acknowledge the arising of our judgment. When we allow, we pause, we make space for what's here. We're just accepting the reality of our experience in this moment. And once we have recognized and allowed what is arising, we can deepen our attention through investigation. We can investigate using our natural curiosity, the desire to know truth, and direct a more focused attention to your present experience, what you're experiencing right now. You might ask yourself, how am I experiencing this in my body? What am I believing? What does this vulnerable place want from me? Whatever the inquiry, your investigation will be most transformational if you step away from judging and bringing your primary attention to the felt sense in the body. When investigating, it's essential to approach your experience in a non judgmental and kind way. This attitude of care helps create a sense of safety, making it possible to connect with our fears and shame. Self compassion begins to naturally arise in the moment that we recognize we are suffering. It comes into fullness as we intentionally nurture our inner life with self-care. To do this, try to sense what the wanted place inside you most needs. And then offer some gesture of active care that might address this need. Does it need a message of reassurance, of forgiveness, of love? Experiment and see which intentional gesture of kindness most helps to comfort, soften, or open your heart. It might be the mental whisper, I'm here with you. I'm sorry and I love you. I love you and I'm listening. It's not your fault. Trust in your goodness. In addition to a whispered message of care, many people find healing by gently placing a hand on the hurt or by visualizing being bathed in a warm, radiant light. If it feels difficult to offer yourself love, bring to mind a loving being, spiritual figure, family member, friend, or pet, and imagine that being's love and wisdom flowing into you. When the intention to awaken self compassion is sincere, the smallest gesture of turning towards love, of offering love, even if initially it feels awkward, will nourish your heart. When you're about to finish the practice, place your hand on your heart again as a final gesture of kindness and slowly start moving your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes.